said your client is Joseph Garza.
He's present as well, Judge.
There's something that popped up.
Got it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to find it. Docket's kind of, oh, here we are. Okay.
5,900.
Yeah, I found it. So, how much time do you need?
Can you, I would say a couple of weeks.
Okay.
And the other thing, judges, is it possible for Nicole to put me in a breakout room with Mr. Garza?
Oh, I'm sure. Nicole, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, she'll get on it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the name of the client?
It's Joseph Garza, 665-900.
Is it to the admin, which is up in the
665.
900.
audit room?
Okay. Does he have his name on the screen? Yeah, he does. Okay.
Turns into two people.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Miss Russin has returned from the bathroom and she is present here.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sorry.
Ma'am, you don't have an attorney, right?
I do have an attorney. His name is Sergio, but I cannot pronounce his last name.
Can you
But he
spell it?
works Yabbaro, I believe.
Ibarro.
He works with Neil Kaflis,
Okay.
but he said he couldn't be here today because he had other court appointments. So he was going to try to push it off a little bit later. I don't know.
Okay, well, Nicole, can you get hold of the attorney?
What is his name?
Well, I think she's saying Sergio Ibarra, but he's with Neil Kalfas's office,
Sergio Ibarra?
or else there's an O at the end.
Okay. Neil
Yeah.
Kalfas, right?
Yes.
She spelled the last name. How does she spell the last name?
Russon. However, when I got arrested for my DWI, that's actually not my last name. That's not how it's spelled at all. But they just would not put it in the computer right. My actual last name is Russom, Russom -Orona, Orona.
Thank
You
you.
know what? Let me check if he's not in the system yet. Hang on, Judge. 1 second.
Okay.
And what is her case number?
It's 666054.
Yeah, he's still not on there. Okay.
Like he
All
hasn't done a notice of,
No. Okay, so the spelling of the attorney's last name, what is that?
do you know how he spells his last name, ma'am? The attorney?
I don't.
It
I
might
mean,
be
I
a
was-
B. It might be a B-O at the end. Ibarbo.
Oh,
Ibarbo?
Yes.
Okay, Judge, I'll try to figure it out.
all right. Could you
Sorry,
maybe check with
Nicole.
Neil,
Okay.
maybe check with Neil Kalfas and see who all is there or something?
Right, that's what I'll do.
All right, ma'am, could you just stick around a little bit longer?
Of course.
We'll see if we can contact the attorney and get some information, okay?
Okay, thank
All right.
you.
You're welcome.
Judge, this is Ronnie Benari. I'm back from conferring.
Okay, who's your client, please?
Eric Lara, 652487.
Okay, and so what are we doing?
The state informed me that there are maybe 4 or 5 other unfiled cases that they need to check into. So they asked for 60 days.
Like 4 or 5 other misdemeanor cases?
All
or-
misdemeanors, yes.
Okay. So you need 60 days?
That's what they suggested, Judge. It doesn't matter to me.
Okay. All right, then. Okay, let's do 30 days.
That's fine with me, Judge.
All misdemeanors, they could pull them up, look at them and at least make an offer at that point, right? Okay, 30-day reset on that.
That'll work.
Okay.
Ronald, what is the case number on this?
On Eric Lotta, it's 652-487.
Okay.
Okay, Judge, I guess I gotta jump in to ask if you
jumping
called
in.
Damian Fuentes.
Yeah, sorry, Jerome. I was trying to message you back, but I'm trying to pay attention over here too.
Judge, this is Altavera. Good morning.
Yes, good morning,
Good
how are
morning.
you?
I'm just fine, Judge. I'm on a Robert Frost.
Could you give me a cause number?
Second, Judge. It's 649695. And he was present.
Yes, was he? Because I had a question
I'm still-
mark.
I'm still
Mr.
here.
Mr. Frost?
Yes, I'm still here.
Should I be able to see your face? Oh, there you are. Okay. And Al, is that you or is that someone?
No, that's Judge, that's me, except I'm at a location where they don't have, the computer doesn't have a camera.
Okay.
If you want, I'll get on my phone and log in.
No, it's fine. I recognize your voice. We're good. But what's happening
Okay,
on the,
Mr. Frost, this was a plea. I never received the paperwork from the state so that I could go over the paperwork with my client.
are you going to confer with the state this
I already have an
morning?
offer, Judge. I have an
And you-
offer.
Well,
We
have
reset
you,
it.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
We reset it so for the plea, but I've never received any of the paperwork to do the plea.
All right, hold on.
And so if we could reset it for a few days, so that I can get the paperwork and go over it with Mr. Frost.
I kind of would like to have the state in on this conversation so that they know that we're waiting to do
Your
a
Honor.
plea. Yes.
We are just waiting on the defendant's email address to send the plea paperwork.
All right, okay. Well, we'll get that to you today, right
Oh,
now.
yes. Okay.
I'll let
And
me,
Caitlin, when should we set the plea up for? Can you get it done for this afternoon or tomorrow morning or?
I can get it done this afternoon or this morning. We can, as soon as docket's over, I can send the plea paperwork out.
All right.
We have a meeting this afternoon, guys.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
So tomorrow
We have a
morning.
meeting, Judge, at 2:00.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
okay, so what time are we talking about? What date and time? Can we do it Thursday? Could we do it Thursday morning?
Yes, we can.
Okay,
All right, but make sure you get that email address to the state so
Oh.
they can send the paperwork.
yes, I'm gonna, if I can be sent to the to a breakout room with I believe Miss Caitlin, and then I'll give it to her for Mr. Frost.
Okay,
Okay,
And so we're set for
Thursday
Thursday
morning.
morning at 9:00.
That's right.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Yes,
this is Leslie Sahanovich. I was late for the docket. My case is 605052.
okay.
The motion to revoke. I don't know whether my client's appeared or not.
He did not answer the docket unless he's shown up since then. Austin Norby? Are you
Yes,
on?
Luke, yeah, Austin Luke Norby, yes.
Is he online? I don't see him. All right, go ahead.
I had emailed him and texted him to the two numbers that I have. I have not received any response from him as to whether he was going to be here today. I assumed he was going to be here, but I think maybe you should just issue him a personal invitation.
Okay.
If he gets back with me in the next 5 days, I'll contact the court.
All right, sounds good. Otherwise,
Thank
the
you.
warrant.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
This is Piker, Judge.
Yes.
This was on Mr. Flowers. I was going to be in a breakout room, but I haven't gotten any info yet. Could they be in line to do that, please?
Is he in the lineup, Nicole?
I believe so, Judge. I can do it again, though.
He's also in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, the client. So you need to speak with the state or your client, Ed?
The state.
The state, okay. All right.
Thank you. Oh,
You're
there it is.
welcome.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Adrian Bettis. I've just logged on.
Uh-huh. Who's your client?
I have a Jose Gutierrez, Your Honor, case number 644631.
On the case today. Actually, have you been in touch with your client?
Judge, no, I've not, unfortunately. I was appointed to him last year, and frankly, I don't know if he has notice of today's hearing. I was hoping, Judge, I actually have a murder case set today in Frio County. I was hoping we could reset this for about 2 weeks so I can make sure that I've made every effort to try to reach him.
Have you heard from him in the past year?
No, Judge, I can't say that I have, unfortunately.
All right, well, let's give him, he's got 5 days to contact the court or else a warrant will issue.
Thank you, Judge. I'll do everything I can to get him in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Adrian.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Attorney Jonathan Bettis.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I'm here on Brian Pinkney, Judge, cause number 649329.
Hold on.
It's 649329, Judge, and 630977.
All right, and what are we doing on these cases?
Judge, we've just been retained. This is the first setting that I've been on, and he's got a felony pending, Judge, out of the 187 that we just had earlier this month. I'm just asking for a reset so I can make sure we have all the discovery and everything that we need, Judge.
What is the charge on the felony?
The charge is, I believe it's an aggravated robbery.
Okay, so it's not really related to this case at all, right?
Not at all, Judge. No, this is while intoxicated.
Have you conferred at all with the state on these misdemeanors?
No, I have not, Judge.
Okay. Well, is your plan somehow that these misdemeanors will be TIC'd or?
That's what we're hoping, Judge. I got to see. I don't know how much weight there is to that DWI. I'm anticipating that it comes back with, no alcohol levels. So I'm really not sure at this point.
All right, so you're still waiting on blood test results?
Yeah, I'm just waiting on full discovery, Judge, which may or may not be there. Like I said, we just filed our notice not too long ago. So.
Okay. You know what? Could you touch base with the state before you leave today on these cases, please?
Yeah, that's fine, Judge. What I was going to ask of you, my client's here. He's been present, Judge. I was seeing if he could be excused, and then I'll stay to confer.
Yes, that will be fine.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, all righty.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And Nicole, if you could put me in a breakout room. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Got it. Just got it.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine. You look great.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Can I please speak with a prosecutor? And I'm wondering if you've been tendered my 17151 motion that I filed yesterday.
No, I don't think so. What
I
is it?
I e-filed it and then I sent it to your acting coordinator today
Oh, okay.
for her to give it to you.
I don't think I got right, Nicole. That's not one of the ones you all sent me yesterday afternoon.
My girl is Alyssa Holguin.
Thank you. And she's in custody, right?
Yeah, she's been in jail since I have it written down somewhere. Oh, here we go. Oh, let me tell you.
Okay,
June 8th.
okay.
Her bond's only $1,000, but she
Okay.
doesn't have it. And she has a felony pending.
What kind?
Possession drugs.
Okay, all right.
Okay. 1 to
And-
4 ounces.
And does she have that same issue on the felony as far
Yeah,
as?
she's still in jail on both cases. But
And she's been in for 90 days?
she's been in, not 90. She's been in over 30 for you.
Okay.
90 doesn't happen until September 6th. I've already counted.
On the felony?
Uh-huh. So I'm
And
gonna
s-
file.
Okay, the reason I'm asking is, yeah, if you're entitled to it here, but if you're not on the felony, she's still not gonna get out unless she's gonna, I'm just saying, I mean, I'm
She
fine
has
for
no-
doing whatever on the misdemeanor. I'm just not sure it gets her out.
I know it won't until September
Yes.
6th. And I have it on my calendar. I'm filing a 17151 in the felony.
Okay.
I'm
All right,
trying
well,
to
let
be
me, as soon as I,
organized.
can't hear you, Nicole.
Okay, sorry. She did send that to me last night at about 8:30. I'm sorry, Deborah, I didn't see it.
Okay.
But I just forwarded it to you, Judge.
Okay, very good. Then
Yeah.
I'll sign that. I guess, we just put her on a PR bond,
Yeah.
waive the
thank you.
fees and,
Yeah.
okay. Will do.
Thank you.
You're
So,
welcome.
Is she where I can talk to her? Can I meet her in a breakout room?
Is she in the courtroom?
No, she's in jail.
I know, but I'm asking if they
no.
brought her over.
No, ma'am.
No?
We didn't bring
Okay.
anybody over. I'm sorry, Deborah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
At
Okay.
least what I needed to get done today is getting done. And I
Okay.
thank you both. And
You're
I'll
very
follow
You're
up on
welcome.
Okay,
I'll follow up on her felony, y'all. Thank
all
you.
right.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
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 Judge, this is Ed Piker. I'm back from breakout.
Okay,
The DA has made an offer, which I would like some time to discuss with my client and bring him in here to my office and show him some film.
okay.
So if you just give me a reset, I do believe it will end up being worked out.
All right, sounds good. Do you think 30 days is enough?
Yes, I will tell your coordinator that I have a vacation letter in. So we don't get into that problem later, from the 10th to
Okay.
the 28th of September,
Okay.
10 to 28.
Ed, I'm
September.
sorry, what's the cause number on your client? Do you have it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I
it's
think I know. What is it?
644-032. I think it was at the top of page 2,
Let's see.
about 2 or 3
Yes.
down.
Okay, yes.
When is your vacation at?
10 to 28 inclusive in September.
How's October the 5th?
You know, I've only had 2 resets today and they're both for October 5th, so I guess that's okay. I don't know
be
what
the
you guys
6th.
do. October 5th it is.
All right.
Okay.
Judge,
Thank you.
This is Alphabet. I'm
Have a good day.
reporting back.
Oh, hold on a minute, Al. Hold on. Okay, Ed, so you're good to go?
Yeah, if somebody would tell my client in the courtroom to call me, that'd be great.
Okay, will you do that, Nicole? Because I don't see the bailiff.
Mr. Contreras?
Oh, there.
Yes,
he
ma'am.
is.
I'll let him know.
Okay, let them know to call the lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And reset date. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Al, what's up?
All right, Judge. I gave Caitlin the email address and I gave her the wrong email address. I just sent Nicole the correct email address. I tried chatting with Caitlin, but she had gone out. Can you send me back with her for just 1 minute so I can give her the correct email address?
Sure.
Got it. I got the chat you sent.
Pardon?
I just got the chat you sent with the correct email address.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. May myself and my client be excused until Thursday morning at 9?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, this is Jonathan Ross. I'm got Mr. Noah Taylor in the well, Mr. Taylor, could you get in front of the screen? Well, he's signed on, Your Honor. Would I be able to touch base with the state real quick?
Yes,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome.
Judge, could our client be excused? This is the one we're just waiting on videos, but you wanted us or you
Oh,
to.
yeah, your client can be excused.
Okay, Augusta, get off of the Zoom and we'll call you later.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you. And then Nicole, will you just, do you know which DA was conferring with you on your case, on this case?
No, it was Andrew, but I guess he's not in this court anymore, so I'm not sure who it is now.
Right.
So can you tell one of the DAs when they're in between breakout sessions that I just want to talk to them real quick on this one case before I let the attorney go?
Oh, Your Honor, I'm here. I'm available.
Oh, great. Thank you. All right. So what's your client's name again, please, ma'am?
Augusto Davila. The case number is 659731. We're just waiting for body camera and dash camera.
We will get that downloaded.
Okay. It's not already downloaded. You will be getting it downloaded. Is that, I'm just trying to see what the status is, where things are.
Let me check real quick.
Okay. Thank you.
It doesn't look like it is all downloaded. It has been requested, but I will send another request to make sure that it gets downloaded.
Okay. All right. So 30 days.
That sounds.
All right. That's
30
great.
days.
All righty. Do you have a date for her, Nicole?
For 30 days, I am at, let me see. September 29.
Perfect. Thank you, guys.
Please
You're
let your
welcome.
client know since they, all right. Thank
I
you.
will. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Your Honor, Barry Hitchings reporting back on Jesse O'Brien. He's on page 5 of the docket sheet.
Okay.
In custody in the courtroom.
He's right here, Judge, Mr. Hitchings.
All right. Thank you. So what's happening on the case?
I conferred with Caitlin Morgan. She made an offer. It's the first offer I've received.
Mhm.
And I just need to check with my client to see if he's willing to take that. He's in custody because of a first violation report by pretrial services that said he didn't report. When I talked with him, he said nobody ever told him he had to report to pretrial services. I tried calling pretrial services and I get a recording that says if you're a judge or an officer of the court, hit 9, and I hit 9 and nothing ever happens. It rings and rings, and I gave him the number and he said he called and left messages, but he didn't hear back from pretrial services. He may be willing to accept the offer. He has appeared in County Court 5 before in the courtroom because he does not have a desktop or a laptop or a smartphone with a Zoom app. And so he may be willing to accept the offer. He has a bondsman, Alamo City Bail Bonds, that he reports to, and they have no problem with him. It was just not reporting the pretrial.
Okay, if you don't mind me saying, you're discussing like several issues at once, so I'm not sure what, do you need to be in a breakout room with your client to discuss the terms of the offer?
Yes, that would be good for starters.
Okay, let's try that and see where we get after that. Can we do that, Nicole? She's on the phone, but yes, she'll take care of it. Can we?
I'm on the phone with Neo Kalfis's office. I'm still trying to find that attorney.
Do they know that lawyer?
They do.
They do. Okay,
Yeah.
good progress.
She has me on hold now, though.
But is it Ibarbo or what is it?
She said Ibarra.
Oh, Ibarra. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right. Hey, can we put Barry Hitchings in a breakout room with his client who's in the courtroom?
Sure.
Okay.
The recall, right? Nicole, will you give me a
Yes.
reset or will you send me an email?
Mr. Perry? Mr. Perry?
Your Honor, I'm back from the breakout room. This is Jonathan Pettis on Brian Pinkney, Judge.
Okay.
Um,
Give me that cause number again.
You got it. Let me get it. It's going to be 649-329, Judge, and 630-977.
Okay. And so what's happening?
I spoke with Caitlin. She's going to go ahead and give me the discovery that I need, Judge. And I let her know that there's a felony pending and so forth.
Okay, very good. All right. Then what is 30 days enough?
That's perfect, Judge.
Okay, we'll reset that for 30 days.
Okay, thank you, Honor. May I be excused?
Do you want to get the day? I'm pretty sure it's 9/29, but do you want to know it? for
Yeah, that's
certain?
fine. I'll stick around.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
all right. We're resetting Pinkney up for 30 days, Nicole.
And Your Honor, this is Jonathan Ross on Mr. Noah Taylor. And we
Yes.
touched base with the state and we have a new offer. So I think that might make some progress with my client. So if we could have like a brief reset, that would be outstanding.
Jonathan, can you hang on a second? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Jonathan Pettis.
Yes.
30 days for you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go ahead and email you the reset date.
Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry. Go ahead now, Jonathan.
Oh, that's it. Just asking for a reset to confer on the offer.
Do you want a 30-day reset, Jonathan?
That'd be fine, Your Honor.
Okay, that's granted.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, who was the attorney that needed to speak to the client in the courtroom?
That was, hold on, oh gosh, I'm gonna blank on his name.
I did too.
Do we know the client?
I usually just put the courtroom.
Hold on, I'll just look at the docket and then I'll be able to know who it is.
Okay. Oh, he's conferring. I'm sorry, Judge. He's already in there.
Okay. It was Barry Hitchings.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right, was someone else talking or?
Jonathan Ross.
Oh, yeah. Which date do you guys want us to come back in?
We're giving him a 30 days, so is it 9/29? Still?
Yes.
Okay, September 29th at 9 a.m.
What's the case number on this one, Jonathan?
Yes, 1 second. There's 2 case numbers. It is 660-136 and 634-742.
660. Where can I find it? Let's see.
No, Taylor? Hello, Mr. Taylor.
634-742.
660-136 and 634-742.
Okay, and they're both getting reset?
Yes, 30-day reset, please. And I believe Mr. Taylor will be excused after that.
Okay.
And may we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may. Have a good day.
Thank you. I'll talk to you in a little bit, Mr. Taylor. You have a good one.
I purchase well.
Hold on just a sec. Oh, there we are. You know what? Did you see Noah Taylor? Come to think of it. Did you?
He was there.
Yes, he was. He
He
was
was here. Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
All right. Who wanted to approach?
I did, Judge.
Oh, what's
Angela
going
Blake.
on? Yeah.
Hey, I've got Jeremy Spears. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we have 2 unindicted felonies pending out of the same incident. So we'd
Oh,
just like to
okay.
have a reset,
Yes, okay.
a long one if possible.
All right, a 60-day reset on that then. What's the cause number on that misdemeanor case?
It's 665, 893, and 894. And he is present.
Yes, I saw him. 665.
I'll email you, Angela, the reset date.
You'll email me. Okay, so he can, Mr. Spires, you can log off. I'll send you the email. I'll send you the new court date.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Judge Her, can we chat?
What's going on, Tochi?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I recently pulled in regarding Brian Antiveros. He is right there on your screen. I'm gonna definitely ask for a reset. However, I'd like to chat with a prosecutor if one is available very briefly.
Okay, we'll get you in a breakout room.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, I'm gonna step away for about 5 minutes. If
Who's
that's
stepping
all right.
away? You are, Nicole?
I'm sorry?
You're leaving me for 5 minutes?
For 5 minutes, Judge.
Oh,
I need to
no.
go take more of
Okay.
this
All right,
medication.
I'll
Give me
see you in a
1
bit.
second.
Okay.
Judge, I'm sure you can handle it. You're doing great.
Well, I'll tell you what I cannot do. I don't even know how to host, so breakout room would not be
Oh,
my.
yeah, no, don't worry. We got it, Judge. We got it. I have the girls, my co-host anyway. So.
Okay, great.
Judge, may I give you an update?
Yeah, hold on just a sec.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Oh, you're
All
on a
right.
plea. I'm sorry.
That's okay. So what's going on?
I conferred with Ms. Morgan. I'm asking for a 30-day reset. The case has got significant issues, and I don't think she has worked through them. So she's going to do that, and then her and I are going to just basically try and look at where we are. But if we could come back in 30 days, that would be my
Tell me your
ask.
client's name again.
Brian Antiveros.
Okay. And he's got several misdemeanors, right?
He does, Judge. He has 3 cases pending right now, all same incident.
Okay. All right, 30-day reset is granted.
Thank you very much, Judge. I see Brian there. Brian, you're good to go. You and I will chat later. And then I assume that Nicole's just going to send us a new date, or Patty?
Yeah, she stepped away for a few minutes. I know the
Do I
30
need to wait for
days.
the-
I'm
do I need to
sorry.
wait for the date?
Well, I mean, no, I think it's going to be 9/29, but I need to make sure. But the thing is, you'll have to, when you get
Yeah, I'm
the,
back.
to your, oh, there she is.
Yes.
The Tochi's case on the Brian Ontiveros 660773, 30-day reset.
Okay, what are we doing with that one?
Just a pretrial conference if we can.
Did you say you got an offer or you're still getting discovery?
I have discovery. I don't think she's invested in the case yet, to put it diplomatically, and it's got a lot of layers to it. She's gonna have to
Who was the
find
ADA that you conferred with?
Ms. Morgan, Caitlin.
Oh, Caitlin. Okay.
Okay, Tochi, I'll email you a reset date.
Awesome. Thank you, Nicole.
All right.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
Bye, thank you.
You're welcome. Have we heard from George Sharman at all?
No, Judge. Let me check my emails.
Okay.
No, I don't see anything from him.
Could you give his office a call and see
Yes.
if they respond? And then also, what about Gail Calderola on that, Jane Lyons case?
I haven't heard from any of them. Let me see.
Judge, I'd like to say that I've called her relentlessly over the past months and I have not ever been able to get in contact with her. I'm not sure if I would be able to obtain new counsel or obtain my own counsel. What would you guys recommend in this scenario?
Do you want to just appoint a new attorney on that case, Nicole? This is she was court appointed, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. I missed that whole first part.
Okay, I was wondering if we could appoint, get a new court-appointed attorney on LaJane Lyons case.
Okay.
Okay, so if
Let me
you'll
see.
give us a few minutes, we'll get you a new attorney then.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
She hasn't met with her at all. Is that correct?
Right.
No, no, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Miss Lyons, I'm going to send you a chat right now with some new information for a new attorney, okay?
Okay, perfect. And by chance, if I decide to obtain my own counsel, do I need to get in touch with you guys?
You would get, no, I think you would, if you get a new attorney, then they would file a notice of retained counsel with the court. So it'd be on them to let the court know.
Okay.
And then the court just kind of takes care of it at that point.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Nicole, did you say that you sent me a chat? Because I don't see it.
I'm sending it right now. Hang on one
Oh,
second.
okay. Okay.
Okay, there it goes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, I think the next thing that should happen is you and your attorney will talk and your attorney will get in touch with the court, you know. I mean, when
Okay.
you talk to the attorney, just let them know that you had a court date, you were here today. And maybe hopefully that attorney will at least contact the court. I mean, if they call us this morning or sometime today, that would be great.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and give it another reset date for right now, just so
Sure.
that there's something in the system pending for you, okay?
Okay, that sounds like a good idea.
One second. Okay, I sent you the new court date, Ms. Lyons, and I'm also going to forward this to the attorney that was appointed, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Mr. Franco, what are you waiting on?
George Sharman.
Oh, okay.
Am I excused, Judge?
Yes, you are. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too. You guys take care.
Mhm.
Okay, Judge, I'm going to mute myself and try to call his office.
Okay.
Okay.
Just have a seat back where you're at.
Okay, sir.
Hopefully
Is there any way can I use the restroom?
Yeah. This way, Mr. O'Brien.
Okay, Judge, Mr. Sharman is in a felony Zoom docket right now. And he'll log on as soon as he's done there.
Okay.
Okay.
Morning, Judge Harrison. Nice to see you. This is Anton Hayek.
Nice to see you too. How are you doing?
Back-to-back Zooms, been doing it since 8:30.
Wow.
And I have Abel Rivas.
What was the last name?
Rivas, R-I-V-A-S.
Okay. Do you have the cause number by any
I
chance?
certainly do. 661779.
All righty. So what are we doing today?
I believe I need to confer. I don't have any notes about anything.
Okay. So you want to get in a breakout room with the state?
I'd love to, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there a
Okay, Judge, on page 1,
yes,
Luke Norby, he did not answer, right?
that's correct. And I don't think the attorney has had much contact with them as near as I can
No,
tell.
I saw on one of my emails and he asked me if he showed up this morning.
Oh, okay.
But
He did not. So pretty much, I told counsel the standard 5-day things and then a warrant would issue if his client, and he said, he'd try to find him, but he hadn't had contact with him in a while, so,
right.
okay.
And then the first one also did not respond, correct?
So,
Damian
no,
Fuentes?
Damian Fuentes did not respond.
Okay, and let me see,
So-
I think I missed another one.
Let's see.
Here comes-
Gary Smokes, did he, I don't know that he showed up. Although Jason Joyner was his lawyer, but I don't have any notes or anything about what happened on that case. I don't know that he showed up.
I have him that he did, Judge, and I have him reset for 30 days.
Okay.
On page 2,
Mm-hmm.
644631. Jose Gutierrez, I have him as a FTA, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and then the 2 below him.
Exactly, right.
Okay,
Mhm.
good. And then on page 3, 653709.
Yeah, that's a no-show.
Okay,
And then he doesn't have an attorney either, right?
right,
Okay.
okay.
Can we, do you have that Fernando Duran showed up? I know Angela Blake was the lawyer. I know she talked to me about somebody.
Fernando Duran.
At 65106. Are you here? I thought I heard someone say yes.
I thought so too. Is he?
Mr. Gutierrez is here in courtroom.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Gutierrez. Is
Yes,
it
but I need-
Edward?
Yes, Edward Gutierrez.
Milton Perez. I was waiting on my lawyer, Miguel. He just sent me the link just a bit ago.
Oh. Your name.
Okay, we're talking about Duran. I think, Judge, she reset Mr. Spires.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
She didn't talk about Duran.
We didn't talk about Duran.
Yeah,
I don't think. Let me shoot her a text.
okay. Hold on, Mr. Perez.
Yes, ma'am.
See what she says. All right, so back to page 3, Judge, the very last one. Shelly Gonzalez, 656-596.
She has not had contact with her. She called the bondsman. They gave her information. That didn't work either. So I told her 5 days or the warrant would issue.
Okay. And then on page 4, I have the first 2 I didn't get.
Right, they didn't answer.
Okay.
And neither did Isaac Celestino.
Isaac Celestino.
That's a third one on that page.
Okay, he didn't answer either. Okay.
No. And yeah, so everyone else was okay on that page.
Okay, so back to Erica Gross. She's the one that was saying she hired Sergio, right? From Calf's office.
Was that Erica Gross? Why did I think, you know, that lady that was giving us her correct last name? Is that a different one?
What is her name?
So on the last page, that Elizabeth Rousson, she's the one that said Sergio Ibarra was her attorney.
Elizabeth, let me see.
Page 7, Elizabeth Rousson, page 7.
Oh, okay, then I gave them the wrong name. Okay, I'm gonna have to call them back.
Okay.
Okay, but real quick, so on page 7, the last one did not answer, Lori.
Correct, no answer.
Okay. And
no answer right on the plea for Daniel Ravalcava and Justin Folks.
yeah, that is weird.
Yeah.
I mean, I added them on because they wanted. I added them on because they wanted to do the plea.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Who?
Lori?
Did you just get on?
No, I've been on since 9. I just didn't know how to take off mute.
Okay.
And then someone just
Judge.
showed up in the courtroom, a Martinez. I need to figure that one out.
Okay. Real quick before I forget. So back to page 5.
Okay.
Erica Gross, that's the one that did not answer. She has no attorney.
Right.
Okay. And then on page 6, I missed the very bottom, Cody Moya.
Oh, page 6. Hold on. He didn't answer.
Okay. All right. So
Oh,
now,
I think, okay.
No.
No, Moya's correct, didn't answer. And then I was looking at that Milton Perez Ibarra with Miguel Najera. I don't think they answered, but.
oh yeah, I have that one blank also, Judge.
And then someone's in the
excuse me.
courtroom, but.
Oh,
I
he's
think-
here. He's here.
Yeah. I'm waiting on Miguel. He was in another meeting.
Okay, that's right. So he's
All
waiting
right.
on Miguel.
All right, I'm gonna call Mr. Kaufman's office back and see about this one meeting.
Okay.
Nicole, I just want to check to see if Damian Fuentes logged in.
No, I don't think he did. He has not came in yet.
Okay,
No.
let me try him again.
Okay.
All right, and Nicole Anton's here. I've talked to the state, but they never received the photos I sent them, so we're gonna ask for a reset. But I'd like to talk to my clients since they're here also.
Okay, and who's your client?
I believe there's Abel Rivas.
Hello?
Hold on a minute.
I hear a voice.
Oh, is that you, Abel?
Oh, I see him. Okay. I'll put you guys in a breakout room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, cause stay home.
All right, and in the courtroom, I'm sorry, what is your
Yes.
name, sir?
Gutierrez, sir.
I thought that was Duran.
Gutierrez, he said.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Is it the Edward Gutierrez?
Yes.
Okay, and do you have an attorney?
No, I don't.
And so have you applied yet for a court-appointed attorney, or did you want to hire your own?
I need to apply.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Did he say Jose Gutierrez?
I'm sorry?
Did you say Jose Gutierrez?
Edward.
Edward Gutierrez, okay.
It's on page 3 of the docket, 653-709.
Oh, I see, okay. And he wants to apply, Judge, or hire?
Yes, he wants to apply for court appointed.
He wants to apply?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So I'm gonna need some information from him. He can leave it with the bailiff. I'm gonna need an email address and a phone number for you. Would you be able to leave that to the bailiff?
Yes.
Okay, and then I'll get to you this afternoon, so I can send you an application that you can fill out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that it, Your Honor?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Your Honor, it's George Sharman. I apologize, I'm late. I was in another court.
Okay, so you're representing Mr. Franco, is that right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and what is happening on the case, or what are we accomplishing today?
Well, I guess we need to confer and see what they're talking about in terms of
Okay.
a plea, but also I don't know if we've actually filed an order for the blood draw.
Okay.
But if we haven't, we'll get that filed right away today.
Do you want to get in a breakout room with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Can you take care of that, Nicole?
Either the attorney that they're going to do it or Nicole.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Miguel?
Yes, hello.
Hello, how are you doing?
Doing great, Judge. I apologize for being tardy. I was in Frio County and the court docket took a long time to call. So I'm very sorry about that, Judge.
All right, your client's here though.
Yes, Judge. We got the email this morning with the link and I forwarded it to him.
Okay. So what are we doing on your case today?
I'm downloading the discovery as we speak, Judge. This is our first setting. I was just hired, I believe, a week or so ago, or a couple of weeks ago, which is why I emailed the coordinator to let her know, because I know sometimes the dockets are printed out early and I may have not shown up as the attorney of record. So I wanted to make sure to get the link. I would just ask for one regular reset, Judge, to give me time to go through the discovery with my client. And I'm usually pretty good about emailing the prosecutors and trying to get some sort of a offer ahead of time.
All right, so make sure you do that.
I will, Your Honor.
You know, rather, I could put you in a breakout room this morning, but I think there might be a bit of a wait.
No, that's fine, Judge. That's
So-
fine. I'll contact them.
Contact them before the next setting, okay? All right,
Yes.
so you want a 30-day reset?
Please, Judge.
All right.
Do you know what day that they're putting us in, just so I can check my calendar?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're doing 9/29.
It's actually, we're on 9:30 now.
Oh, we are, okay.
Yeah.
So September 30th at 9 a.m.
That is not a problem. I'll be back in Frio County that day, but it won't be a problem, Judge.
Okay, are you sure?
Well, is there any other date? Could I do maybe, here, let me double check here. Could I do the 29th? Would that be a possibility?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and still add you to the 29th.
Oh, thank you. That's a lot easier. I think I have another county court 9 case that day.
Okay. Mr. Perez, you're reset for September 29th at 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay.
All right.
September 29th, correct? Okay.
Yes, and I'll still email you the reset.
Thank you so much. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, you may. Have a good day.
You too, Judge. It's always great to see you.
Good to see you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And Judge, Kyle Ernst here. I have Lori Valdez. She's on the very last page.
Uh-huh.
I had 3 felony Zooms this morning. And just be asking to be put in a breakout room with one of the family violence prosecutors to confer.
All right. Soon as Nicole gets off the phone.
Okay.
He needs a breakout room, Judge?
Yes.
Yeah, with one of the family violence prosecutors, correct.
Ernest Kyle.
There you go.
Here we go.
Judge Barry Hitchings on Jesse O'Brien, page 5 of the docket sheet. I conferred with him about the offer the prosecutor made. He's accepted it. I don't know how quickly the plea paperwork could be completed. He does have this little problem on a warrant for not reporting to pretrial services.
So when, have you talked to the state, and with regard to all of you, would you be available for the state to get that paperwork together and for us to complete the plea agreement today, take the plea?
I don't know how quickly Caitlin Morgan could get it done. If it can be done today, I'll be happy to sign off on it. Now, he doesn't have Zoom features, so they would have to get it to him in the courtroom.
That's where he is right now, right?
That's correct.
All right. Catherine, I saw you a minute ago, or Caitlin, does anybody want to talk to me about what a realistic time frame is for doing the plea?
I believe if we want to set it sometime this afternoon, I know that wouldn't be a problem. I don't know the case. I don't know if it's an obstruction or what paperwork's involved, but I think we can get it done.
It's assault bodily injury on his brother.
Okay.
We have our meeting this afternoon.
Okay, so should we do it tomorrow then?
Tomorrow?
We can, if we could just put it tomorrow morning, that would be fine.
Okay.
Is that good with you, Barry?
It's fine with me. I just hate for him to spend the night in jail. When he's
you know, where is he? Can I talk to him?
He's in the courtroom.
He's coming up, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Well, we can do it like later, Catherine, if you want, after our meeting. I don't think we'd be too long, like maybe an hour.
Okay.
Less.
So what, and it's your meetings at what time? At 2?
We're having our meeting at 2, Judge, with my supervisors and the clerk's supervisors.
What if we set it for a 3:30? Do you think that's okay?
I'm okay with that if the girls are fine with that.
Fine, Judge.
Mr. Hitchings, does that work for you?
30 would be fine with me.
Okay. State?
Judge, that's fine with the state.
All right.
Okay.
All right, then what we're going to do, Mr. O'Brien, is get all the plea paperwork together, get signatures from you and everybody, and actually take care of the plea and the warrant status this afternoon at 3:30.
Okay. Now he has a way to get the paperwork there in the courtroom. I take it.
How does that work?
Okay, so what is he doing? He's doing a plea?
He's going to be doing a plea, getting regular probation.
Okay.
And I think you've got my email address. It's the same address you sent the Zoom notice. So
Right, so Judge, we could have the clerks take out paperwork to the defendant that he could physically sign. At that point, then we would have to have the girls either send it to you so that you can sign it. I mean, it's
Well,
a
I mean,
lot harder.
Mr. O'Brien, so seriously, when they let you out on a PR bond, they didn't tell you that you had to report to the PR bond office, pretrial
Yeah.
services?
Yes.
They didn't tell you?
No. They just told me, are you reporting? And I thought it had to be Bill's bond. And they didn't even give me the number or nothing.
he is on a surety bail bond with Alamo City Bail Bonds.
Oh, so then why is pretrial complaining if he's on a surety bond?
Their first violation report claims that he's never reported pretrial services.
Okay, let's withdraw that warrant then.
Okay.
Will you just recall the warrant? And then I don't know if that simplifies the police getting the plea paperwork signed. I'm guessing it might make it easier.
I think it would be a lot easier now. He had asked me if I could get the court to set a bond for him, and I told him, you're already on a bond.
Right. I don't understand that situation. I don't really want to try to figure all that out, but I do want to get that plea done this afternoon.
Okay. So, yeah, I'll sign off on the papers as soon as I get them. And
He didn't have like another case that he was on a surety bond for, did he? He was on a surety bond on this case?
that's correct, Your Honor, Alamo City Bail Bonds.
Okay.
In fact, Alamo City, when I got claimed that he wasn't reporting the pretrial, I contacted Alamo City Bail Bonds to get additional phone numbers.
Okay.
No, Judge, he just has this one, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then.
So recall the warrant, and
Okay.
then what are we doing about the plea?
We're gonna do it at 3:30.
At 3:30.
So, and I'll watch my computer when stuff comes to me for signature. As soon as it comes,
Okay.
I'll sign it. Okay.
I just need the defendant's email address. Do you have that, Nicole?
I know, Caitlin, I think we're gonna do the physical paperwork in the courtroom, the clerk's giving him that.
Okay.
Cause I don't think they can't do Adobe in the courtroom, right?
But if he's, well, whatever, I'm gonna stay out of it. You guys figure it out. I mean, we're gonna recall the warrant, so he doesn't have to be there. But he's there because he doesn't have capabilities on, he doesn't
On
have.
Adobe Sign.
That's right. He does not have a laptop, desktop, smartphone.
Okay, so he has to be there anyway. Okay.
abilities.
Right.
All right.
So Caitlin, how
Yeah.
would we, do you want to just send the paperwork to the attorney and then I can have the girls give the defendant the paperwork in the courtroom?
Yes, that's fine. It's just, I don't know how we'll get it to judge to sign.
I think once the client signs it, we can have the clerks scan it to judge and then she can print it out, sign it, and then scan it back to the girls.
What's wrong? Why is it always that and not Adobe Sign? That printing and scanning is difficult.
I know, Judge. I mean,
Why
like
does
I
it
said,
have to, why can't it be Adobe Sign?
because the defendant does not have it, Judge.
Can he not just go to your office, Barry?
Yes, he could come to my office.
That would
Where are
be
you?
better, Judge. That
Huh?
really would. That would be so much better.
Terry?
Yeah. And if he's here at my office, I can sign his attorney and he can sign his client at the same time.
Yes. Does he have an email?
No, he does not. But if he's in my office, it'll be my email.
Okay. Girls, can we do that, Caitlin?
Yes, that's fine.
But is the client able to get over there?
I'm not
He has
sure.
plenty of time.
I'm in long walking distance from the Justice Center,
Oh, okay.
right close to the La Focaccia Italian Grill Restaurant on South Presa. So,
All right. So what about it, Mr. O'Brien? Can you get to his office?
Can you write down a picture? Tell him yes. Yes.
Is
You
he
can.
driving? Who
Yeah,
drives? right?
you drive a car?
I could take
Yes.
What was that? Do you have a car or,
No, I could go on the via bus.
on the Via bus?
I live close to Presa.
Okay,
It's 645 South Crescent.
okay. All right. So you'll go over
Okay.
there and then you all can sign paperwork together. It'll make it easier and then you can just send it to me for Adobe sign.
Okay, so
Right.
once
Okay,
it's been signed by both of us in my office, the last sign that I click on, it'll go to the court rather than to him.
No. It's gonna go to judge after you
Right,
sign.
right, go to the court, well, the judge, okay.
okay.
And then the court, yeah.
So comfortable.
All right,
All right,
So-
thank you.
as long as he has the address to get to your office, right? 3:30.
Yeah, just 645 South Presa. Oh, goodness, you get on Cesar Chavez, go east to where Presa runs into it. Go south on South Presa, 2 long blocks, and there it is.
Does he have a phone that you can just call him to?
Well, he could call my office. He's called here before.
Okay, so you guys can just discuss how he's gonna get over there.
Uh,
He can call you, yeah.
Okay, do you bring a cell phone, Jesse?
Yeah.
Okay, so call your attorney and you guys figure out how you're gonna get over there, okay?
Okay.
We'll see you at 3:30.
3:30.
3:30.
You'll be
You'll
here.
be at your attorney's office. So you can give them directions or whatever it is you need to get them over there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right,
Thank you.
you're welcome. George, what's happening on your case?
Well, we conferred, I did not have the blood draw number until today, and I'm filing a motion in order to discover the laboratory, work. And the state has not gotten the Coban, video yet, but as soon as they get it, they'll put it up for me, because I
Okay.
need a review to stop in this case.
Okay. 30 days?
That'll help with the Coban, but I don't know about the laboratory work, because if I get that order to you today, it's up to you.
Just take the number. I can't talk to them.
60-day reset then?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That's on Mr. Franco, correct?
Mr. Frost?
James, you can.
Oh, Franco, I'm sorry, Franco.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
And that was 60 days, Judge.
Yes.
60 days.
All right, I will email you a reset.
All right, is Mr. Franco excused?
Yes, he is.
All right, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hayek is back. I need a reset, please.
Okay. Gosh, trying to. I'm sorry, what's the cause number on your client? Anton?
661779.
Okay, so, and what's happening? Are you still, where are you in the process? Do you have all the discovery? Or are you still waiting on stuff?
Well, I can't find the breath test results or blood draw, but I would suspect it's available someplace, and I've got to send the state the photographs again, I guess.
Oh, the photograph.
So we're just kind of exchanging information.
Okay. All right, 30-day reset then.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is Nicole just going to send it to me?
I'll email you.
Nicole, thank you. Maybe
You're
excuse
welcome.
your honor.
Yes, you may. You have a good day.
You too.
May I be excused too?
Is
Mr.
that
Rivas,
Mr.
yes.
Rivas?
Mhm.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
Who was the attorney on Rivas?
that was Mr. Hayek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
right.
He got off with us on his client.
All right.
May I be excused too?
Who is,
Lori Valdez, I think, hold on, let me
hold on
see.
1 second.
Who's your attorney again?
Kyle? Ernest?
Oh, yeah. Is he still in the breakout room? You wouldn't know that, but I'm asking Nicole. if she-
He is.
So I
He's in
think
there
you
by
better,
himself. Is somebody, Caitlin or Catherine, have you guys met with Ernest yet? Kyle?
Sorry, Nicole, I didn't see that he was waiting. I'll go meet with him right now.
Okay, all right. Hang tight, Lori.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Poor man. I hope he figures out how to get over there.
oh, I know, I have my doubts.
I know, but. Oh,
I know I'm being a pain about that Adobe. It's just that the other thing is that if we start at 3:30 and I'm trying to figure out my scanner, that, you know.
yeah. I know, Judge. I'm the same way with mine. I'm trying to get IT to help me connect my personal printer to my work laptop, but
Oh.
I'm still waiting on a response to see if they'll let me do that. Yeah.
Solve a lot of problems.
Right.
Is that the last one then when Lori, Mr. Kyle comes back? Or do we still have a few more loose ends?
I'm sorry, Judge, what was that?
I was just wondering if we were still finishing up on some others.
I think just Lori's now and Erica Gross. That's the one.
I'm Erica Gross.
Yeah. I don't think she has an attorney, right?
No, I
Do you
don't.
have an attorney, Ms. Gross?
No, ma'am.
Did you
Oh,
just
you know
now
what,
sign
Judge?
on?
Okay, I'm sorry, Erica, hang on 1 second.
Are you
I did
just
get a
now
hold of,
Is
I'm
she
sorry?
just now signing on?
She's been on and off. I've been seeing her pop in and out, so I don't know if it's her connection or,
Oh, okay.
yeah. I did get a hold of Neil Kalfas's office, and the woman that said she hired did not hire. She did go in and meet with them and consult, but at the end of the day, they were not actually retained. So, which is why they're not here.
Well, okay. What did I do?
So-
Did I release her or was she?
I think she's still in the courtroom, Judge.
Oh, good. Let's talk to her some more.
Mr. Contreras. Oh, look, there she comes.
It's right here. Come on in, Ms. Russell.
Okay, and that's where Miss Russ, the lady that corrected.
Rasan.
Yeah, Rasan. Okay, we called, ma'am, we called,
I didn't finish the paperwork with him.
well, you're
Right.
not retained, then you don't have a lawyer. They're not your lawyer if you haven't, I guess, either done what they asked you, you know, until that's done. Right now, you don't have an attorney. So if you could just tell me what your plan is with regard to that. Do you want to hire the attorney? Do you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney?
I still want to hire Sergio. I just have to pay him the down deposit for it first.
All right, well, what's the likelihood of you doing that?
Well, on Friday I get paid. I can
Okay.
do the down deposit.
All right. Let's reset it for 2 weeks so that that's taken care of and your attorney can show up in court. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you,
Sounds good.
Judge. Thank
You're
you, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. What else do we got? Mr. Hunt? Who are you
Yes.
here on?
Isaac Celestino. He's got two cases. 658-827 is one of them.
Oh, yeah. Is he here now? Because he did not answer the docket.
No, I don't believe so. To be honest, I didn't see a Zoom invitation. So it might be partly my fault on that.
Okay. Judge?
Well, how about sending him a Zoom invitation? Let's see if we can get him on.
Okay, it'll be an application for pretrial diversion.
Well, that's good, but kind of
Okay.
need to see him. That way we can move on it, you know?
Okay.
Okay,
Let's see if I can get him.
thank you. And what's happening on yours, Kyle?
Yes, so I conferred with the state, and so they're just asking for 2 weeks reset to reach out to the complainant.
Okay. It's granted. And your client's here, do you have
Yeah, and
any?
can I get a breakout room with her? Because I don't think I have a good cell phone number for her.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll put you guys in one.
Okay.
what do you, where is Erica Gross on the docket? I can't keep looking.
She is on page, on page 5, Judge. Towards the middle.
Okay.
He said 2 weeks, right? Or what are you saying?
So is she, Miss Gross? God, that screen is so weird. Is she in the courtroom?
Yes, ma'am. No, I'm at home.
Oh, wait.
So you don't have an attorney. Do you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think Nicole, right, you'll email her
Yeah, Erica,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to, hang on 1 second. Let's see. Let me back up for just a second. Kyle Ernest, he was gonna get a 2-week reset, right, Judge?
On
Lori, yes.
yeah, he wanted 2 weeks.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, Miss Erica,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know how to check your chat box if I send you a message right now? Look, I'm gonna send you one right now. Let's see if
Yes,
you get it.
I see it. Okay.
You got it? Okay, so I need for you to send me your email address
Okay.
and your phone number, okay?
Okay. I'm typing it in now.
Jason Fernandez? Not yet, sir. Where do I go, around from the bench? Yeah, just go right here. Just say, Your Honor. Just say, who's this? Collins.
Mr. Collins?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful, Your Honor. I just came in from, I was in the 437th all morning in person.
Okay.
I have Jason Fernandez on your docket, 665-958, Your Honor.
Hold on.
I haven't had any contact with him. Did he appear today?
Hold on, let me look for him. 665, you said 958.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't have, he did not answer the docket.
Okay, Your Honor. I'll try to round up whatever information I have to contact him and see what I can do about getting a hold of him.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, if you get hold of him, then I want to see him today.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Absolutely.
all righty.
Okay,
Nicole,
Miss
what's that?
Erica, I got your information.
Okay.
Okay, so you're excused and I'll get a hold of you this afternoon, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
And Nicole, what was the date for Lori Valdez?
For Lori Valdez, that's gonna be a 2-week, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, let's do, what are we today? 24. Let's do the 7th.
Okay, perfect. And I'm assuming that will be Zoom on 9/7. Okay.
Yes.
I figure we'll be back to Zoom for at least a little while.
Yeah. Looks that way.
All right, I appreciate it. May we be excused?
Yes, you may. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, y'all too.
Okay. Who else do we have?
Mr. Hunt, what's happening?
I've emailed him, called him, and sent him a text message too.
Okay, all right.
So nothing yet.
What is your thought with regard to that? That he doesn't have notice and that's why he wasn't here today?
When we were initially doing the pretrial diversion application, he couldn't provide me the basic information that goes in the pretrial diversion application.
Oh.
Really simple information.
Okay,
So he's not extremely savvy.
I gotcha. Has he been good about showing up when he's supposed to?
Yeah, I don't believe he's had any problems with that. And the state is recommending diversion on these cases.
Do you think that he will eventually respond to your text to him today?
Yeah, I've been in good communication with him.
All right. How about if we do a 2-week reset?
But that's fine. That
Okay.
should give us a chance to get the application into the state.
Right.
So, okay. That
Okay.
would work great.
All right.
Will I get notice or is it just 2 weeks from today?
What was that?
A 2-week reset, would it be 2
2-week
weeks? from
reset?
today?
Yeah, I'll email you.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Gomez, who are we waiting on for you?
You say on her name.
Who?
Did
I'm
you
not
say?
too-
I think he forgot her name. I think that's what he's saying. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I forgot her name.
Teresa Garcia is his attorney.
Teresa Garcia. I saw an email from her. Let me check real quick.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. She messaged me last night at 11:46 p.m.
Wow.
This email is to notify you that I will be late to court. I have a few bench trials and a few criminal cases this Tuesday. That's all she said.
Okay.
Mm. And what about Arturo Nino? Who is that?
Yeah, I was just wondering that myself. Let me see if I can find him on the.
Somebody's in the courtroom. Who is that? Yes.
Hi, Patricia Vieira. I'm here for Arturo Nino. I was in the
Oh,
187. I apologize.
Is he on the, let's see, hang on.
Well, I see just his name. Oh, there he is.
I'm right
Okay.
here.
All right, Matt.
Oh, yeah, Judge, he's on page 3.
3.
What are we
do you
doing
want
with
to
this?
get done today on this case, ma'am?
I wanted to see if I could confer with the prosecutor, Judge.
All right. Can we get her in a breakout room then?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Could you text, do you think, Teresa Garcia and see if she could give us a ETA?
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah, let me call her, Judge.
okay.
I'm gonna mute.
Okay.
Judge, real quick, Mr. Duran, he was not here in the courtroom earlier, right?
Right.
I think I totally misunderstood that whole situation and I text Angela, so she's like, no, he pled yesterday, I think.
Well, there was that. I wondered for a minute, but I didn't know if it was, I didn't think it was the same one. But yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think,
Okay.
okay, we're good.
Okay, good.
Amber, if she's adopted, would she be eligible for college tuition in state?
Yeah. Well, shoot, I'm reading the police file. No, no. Arturo Nino. He's right there. His pictures. He's right below the judge. Oh.
So what are we doing on Arturo
I'm-
Nino?
I'd like to confer with my client to relay the offer that was given to me by Caitlin, if I may, Judge.
Okay, we'll have to wait for Nicole to come back so she can put you all in a breakout room.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Nicole. On Arturo Nino, can you put Patricia Vieira in a breakout room with her client?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Her client is Juan Gomez.
Oh, I think I put the wrong one.
Good morning, Judge
Oh,
Teresa
yeah.
Garcia, attorney
Could you
for
hold on
Juan
just a
Gomez.
second? Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, let's see.
Or did I get that wrong? Maybe I got it wrong.
I don't know.
I bet I did. Hold on. Doggone it, because I just saw Teresa Garcia's here. Juan Gomez is her
Yeah, they,
client.
sorry, Your Honor, they put me in the break room.
Yeah, no, that was my fault. I did that. Okay.
Oh.
So now your attorney, Teresa Garcia, is here. Okay.
Yes, Judge, I'm here, but I'm also waiting for a hearing, and so I'm doing multiple tasking. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
But in the meantime, I guess if I'm in line or I can see a prosecutor, that would be perfect.
All right.
And all those Pell benefits need to be in play for her.
Get her in a breakout room with one of the DAs. Okay, thank you. Oh, is Herminia the court reporter today?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Mhm.
Did you all get the stuff I signed yesterday evening? I had to go to my daughter's to. She.
Did you
knows
send it
how
to the
take
clerks,
those-
Judge?
Huh?
You sent it to the clerks?
Yeah,
Yes, okay, they probably got it.
okay. Did you send me stuff to sign last night, Miss Luna?
I did, Your Honor. I received it back.
You did?
I'm just
Okay.
trying to send something to you and I don't know how to do it, so I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Oh, gosh.
What's going on, Miss Vieira?
Hi, Judge. So I relayed the offer to my client. He is in agreement with it and would like to accept the plea. But I would like to make one request. Is there any way we can reset it a few days for that plea? Just so
Yeah.
I can an actual computer doing this.
Yes, that would be fine.
Thank you, Judge.
What day would be best? Or Nicole?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what we've got.
Okay, what's the case number, first of all?
It is 652547.
And you said a couple of weeks or?
No, a couple days.
Just a few days.
Just a few days?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do Friday. I don't have that docket yet.
I was gonna say
don't
that.
think-
Okay.
That's okay, Friday?
Yes.
And did you give the state the email already?
No, but I do have his and mine.
call for Friday for a plea, right?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, we're gonna need his email. Let's see.
Who do you want me to send it to?
You could either send it to me or to one of the girls. Do you
I'm
have
gonna
their
I'm gonna
email?
email it to you, Nicole.
Okay, yeah, you can email it to me. Let's All right.
Mom, okay.
Hello?
Okay,
sorry,
just give us a
Mom.
second. Give us a
Dad.
second, please, Ms. Garcia.
Dad, Luis Garza.
Okay, Nicole, I sent that to you.
All right, perfect.
So we'll do that Friday. Are we doing that Friday morning?
Friday morning, Judge.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mr. Nino, Friday morning,
Yes, ma'am. What time?
9 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, see you then.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. See you
Bye-bye.
Friday. Bye-bye. Teresa?
Okay.
Yes, Judge. I'm about to start a hearing right now, but I have conferred with the prosecutor in a little bit. Can I get a breakout room with my client?
Okay, you mean you're gonna leave and then come back to get?
Well, I was just gonna mute myself and then just stay on because I'm on my phone with you and in a case.
Stacy January's in the waiting
Okay,
room.
so do you want us to wait though, or do you want to be in the breakout room right now?
Go ahead and start transferring me to the breakout room so that when I'm done with this hearing, I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Hang on a second. Judge, is he the only
Judge, I'm
person
on
we have left?
Oh, I'm sorry. What?
Is he
Okay.
the only person we have left?
That I don't know. Judging
think
by
s-
the screens, I would say yes, because I don't see.
Okay. So if
Anybody
she's
else?
gonna do her hearing, I'd rather them just talk after she's done on their own time, rather than having us wait,
Okay,
if that's okay.
sure, that's fine.
Because if we're done, we're done. I gotta
Okay.
get started on some other resets before our meeting, so,
Okay,
I just don't know if she's gonna reset or what is she gonna do?
is she gone already?
I gave her an offer and I think she's going to confer that offer with her to her client.
Okay, because she says she's in another hearing, so, I mean.
I don't know. She's gone, so it's hard to plan.
Okay. I mean, it just doesn't make sense, having us
Well, I
wait.
agree. I
Yeah.
agree. Yeah. Well, I wonder if we should just have them recalled tomorrow or recall this afternoon. But I don't know how we tell her, you know what I mean?
Right.
She's gone. Guess we could email her.
I mean, we could. They
Email
could,
her and tell her we're gonna take it up again at 1:30. Or, I'm sorry.
No,
3:30.
3:30.
Or email her and say, we'll take it up tomorrow morning. I mean,
We
are you
could recall
available
it for
tomorrow morning,
morning.
Mr. Gomez?
Yes, I'll be available tomorrow morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
You have the same link, right?
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Do you have the link?
Yeah,
or
yeah, I
no?
had the,
Okay,
yeah,
it's the same link for tomorrow morning, so yeah.
okay, yeah, and I have her number too, so I'll call her maybe a little on
Yeah,
later on.
just call her after she's done with her hearing. You guys can confer whatever you guys need to talk
Right.
about.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
tell her that we'll take it up, if you could join us in the morning at 9 o'clock so we can see where we are. Okay.
Right.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll talk to her today and
Okay.
confirm. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good.
All right, Judge. Thank
You
you so
too.
much. All right, guys.
Nicole?
So, yes.
Can you send me the email address for what was it, Nino or
Yes.
that we're gonna take Friday?
Yes, that was on. Let's see. She said
Archer
she sent
Nino?
that to me.
Well, you
I
can just
haven't
email it to me later or whenever.
Yeah, because it hasn't came through yet. I don't know if my email's just a little slow, but I have not received it yet.
Okay.
So as soon as I get it, I'll send it over to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Contreras?
Yes, ma'am. I have the email and the telephone number for Mr. Gutierrez Edward. He's on
Okay.
page 3, right underneath Mr. No.
Mm-hmm.